A very welcome I speak to all audience and viewers. Today, me and my group members, Bhupinder, Ikhwan, Eiriel and also Adam are going to conduct an experiment on crystallization of sugar. For your information, we are conducting this experiment at home due to the COVID-19 pandemic in Malaysia. Now, let's start.
I will continue to the procedure of the experiment. The first step is we start our experiment by preparing materials such as saucepan, glasses, food coloring, water, sugar and sticks. Next, combine equal parts of sugar and water in a saucepan. Then stir it for a while. After that, put it on the fire and heat until all of the sugar is dissolved. While waiting for the sugar dissolve, we are going to prepare sugar sticks. Dip the sticks in water and roll them in sugar to form seed crystal. Then set the sugar coat sticks aside and allow them to dry. Now we come back to sugar solution. When it is boiling, slowly add more sugar and mix until the sugar is no longer dissolved in the water. Add candy flavoring if desired, and then continue to heat the water until it comes to a simmer. Next, remove the sugar water from the heat and allow it to cool. Pour it into glasses when it is cool enough. Later, carefully place the dry sticks into the glasses. Make sure that the sticks are not touching the bottom or sides of the jar. Wait for a week to see our sugar crystal.
1 week later.
Are you curious on how this can happen? Now, I would like to invite my members, Bhupinder and Adam, to explain for you.
I'm going to explain about theory of crystallization regarding about solubility. Solubility is defined as the maximum amount of solute dissolved in a solvent at equilibrium. All liquids have a set solubility to a specific substance at room temperature. Some liquids have high solubility while some have low solubility. In most cases, as the temperature of a liquid solvent increases, the solubility also increases. This experiment starts off at room temperature, and at room temperature, the solubility of the water isn't high enough to dissolve all the sugar into the water. When we heat up the sugar solution, its temperature increases. When temperature increases, the solubility also increases. And consequently, at boiling temperature, which is around 100 degrees Celsius, the water solubility is high enough to dissolve all the sugar into the water. Since we are able to dissolve much sugar in high temperature of water, therefore the sugar water becomes a supersaturated solution.
A supersaturated solution is a solution that contains more than the maximum amounts of solute that is capable of being dissolved at a given temperature. When we leave our solution to cool down, the temperature of the solution slowly drops back to room temperature. As temperature drops, the maximum solubility of the water drops as well. This causes our solution to release sugar molecules, and these molecules form a solid crystalline precipitate. As our solution gets cooler and cooler, it releases more sugar molecules. The thing about sugar molecules is that they would prefer to attach to existing sugar molecules or crystal formation rather than start a new crystal formation. This is where the sugar-coated wood stick plays its role. The sugar on the wood stick attracts the sugar released from our solution and they attach together, causing the crystals to grow larger.
That's all for our video today. Hopefully you find this is interesting and learn something from this video.